If you just started out in your online marketing career, one crucial thing you'll need to monitor is your conversion tracking. Setting up conversion tracking allows you to see important actions visitors on a website take, like signups, phone calls, or make a purchase. Recently, Google released news that they allowed for users to set up campaign-level conversion settings. You can choose which conversion actions to include in the conversions column at the campaign level. This overrides the default account level setting, and you can then decide what actions to use to optimize bids for each campaign. You can optimize a campaign for multiple conversion actions and share it across other campaigns intended to drive the same goals. Previously, your conversions column selections applied to all campaigns in an account. This meant that if you had multiple campaigns to drive different goals and conversions, you'd need to create multiple accounts in order to optimize them separately. You don't need to do this anymore. Now you can simply choose the corresponding conversion action or actions for each campaign, giving you more flexibility within your Google Ads account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.